guys, good morning. This is Priyanka. Welcome to my channel. And today also I wanted to just share with you something about eyelash care or eyelash extension, you can say. And if you can't tell, I'm really into eyelash accentuation or eyelash like just enhancement these days. I don't know why, but I don't know. Like, I think eyes are, maybe it's because eyes. I feel like eyes are. I personally feel eyes are the most expressive part of your body, and even though one would think that one can easily express through words and through hands, through body language, through gestures, and all of that is definitely true. But I feel like the way you can read someone through eyes and the way someone can express through eyes, it's very deep and it can be very subconscious and unconscious. So that's why I consider it the deepest, I guess, form of expression. I don't know, like, I'm just you may be like, what is she talking about? But I definitely feel that way, because, but like, anyway, so just going back to your eyelashes. So the technique that I'm going to show you today is really, again, simple and natural. So I just rubbed a little bit of coconut oil here in my hand, and then I'm gonna just rub one of my finger against it like this. You can't see the oil because it's just rubbed and mashed against my palm, and then I'm just gonna basically use my finger and very gently and very softly just rub this. Rub is probably not an accurate word, but you know what I'm doing, right? So you just swipe it, maybe I should say swipe it against your eyelashes in a very gentle way, and then you do the same on the other eyelashes. We'll find out, I don't know, we'll find out if it's going to do anything with how the eyelashes would look like, but I definitely know that this is really good for your eyelash care part, in the sense that, and what I mean is that, let me get more oil, because while I was talking, I think the whole oil is gone somewhere, so I'll do that. Okay, so here I am. So I have oil. You can actually see the oil now. I have a lot of oil, and then I have mascara and brush that I'm going to use after this step. So just gently rub this finger which you have tapped in the oil that's on your palm, and then you're gonna just like lift your eyelashes like this, swiping the oil against the eyelashes very gently. Oh my god, don't injure your eyes. Okay, so let's try that on this side again. Now that I have a little bit more oil, I know I did this side already, but I'm not sure if I had enough oil, honestly. So that's why I'm doing it again, and then I'll take this opportunity to also do this. I'm actually really into natural skincare, like as natural as it can be. So what I was sharing earlier was, before I left, was that it is really good for the health of your eyelashes, because for the health of your eyelashes, especially if you're putting any eyelash makeup, and the reason is that now you have an extra like coating on your eyelash. So okay, which means that now you have an extra I'm like really excited. So which means that you have an extra like layer of protection on your eyelashes, and this extra layer of protection is all natural because it's coconut oil. And then when you apply mascara or any other makeup, there is that makeup doesn't contact your eyelash directly because it is above that layer of oil, and so it's really good because, number A, your makeup is not contacting your eyelash directly, and so your eyelash is not in the direct contact of extreme harsh chemical environment, you can say. And then number two is that while when you take out the eye makeup, it will be really easy because it will come out very smoothly because of the oil. So those are the two benefits, and in terms of how it will appear, we'll find out. And if you haven't watched my other video on eyelash extension, then please do, because in that video I haven't shown this oil stuff, but I've shown from now on what I'm doing, which is just like extending your eyelashes and highlighting them. So after putting oil, you want to comb your eyelashes with any of these brushes that you can really find anywhere, or even like you can use face powder brush, any brush basically. The idea is to comb your eyelashes gently. If possible, you can do it with small brush like this that has better grip over individual hair, or you can use like a big brush which will comb all of this hair all at once. Anything is fine. So please suit yourself based on what you have available, and what works for your eyelashes. Oh no, okay, sorry, someone texted me, I forgot I had to call someone. Okay. Okay, so then you do this, okay? And then let me reply to that message and then I'll be back. This is how excited I am. I forgot my appointment. Okay. I'm back, and then so there you go. And then okay, so I combed it, and now the final step, which is the step that I really enjoy, is just shaking your mascara. By the way, don't forget to shake your mascara. And then is the magic. I hope I'm not hyping it too much, and I hope I'm not scaring you guys by coming so close to the camera. But you can already see the eyelashes just extending so beautifully, and the eyelashes, like you can see that already. And you can do like a couple of coatings. I like to do like, depending on what look I am actually in the mood for, I will do like let's see, I'll do like 2 to 3 maybe. Okay. There you have it. Okay. So you can already see my eyelashes popping out a little bit, and then I'm gonna do another coating because why not? 2 is like the that sweet number for me. Like if I'm not sure, I'll just do in between 2 and 3, and I'll do just 2. And sometimes it's worth waiting for the first coating to dry, because what happens is if you immediately put the second coating, depending on what kind of mascara you have, you'll see this like clumps, which you can avoid if you let the first coating dry. I mean, there's no formula. It depends on a lot of factors like your eyelash texture, and then what mascara, and then all of that, if that makes sense. So you can see my eyelashes popping out beautifully, and it's really lovely, right, how it looks. So and then we can touch these ones at the bottom, and my neck actually hurts, so I'm gonna take a break and then come back and do this again. So like I said, I wasn't sure if applying the coconut oil would affect the look, but I don't know, I want to say that, the third benefit, I would say, of applying the oil before applying the mascara, now I can tell, now after applying the mascara, I can tell the third benefit is that I can feel that the mascara, like this mascara, is sticking better to my eyelash. And doesn't it make sense? It does make sense, right? Right, because you have oil and then you have mascara on top of it. Okay, I like how it's coming out for sure. So there you have it really, you have your mascara, you have also incorporated some natural ways to take care of your eyelashes. For example, you have combed it. Who would have combed it otherwise, right? So you have combed it, you have applied oil, and now removing it will be very easy because the oil will provide that extra, you can say, adhesion, or it will serve like a lubricant, if that makes sense. And yeah, so that's really good. So I hope you try that, and let me show you the look in a better lighting. Okay, so there you have it. I think you can tell the eyelashes look really nice, and the lighting here is not necessarily, I would say, better, just because, I don't know, I feel like just because it's brighter it has to be better, but sometimes it's the other way. But you can see the eyelashes, and that's the point. And yeah, thank you so much once again for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something, and if you didn't, that's also fine. And there you go, I'm really happy how it turned out. Now back to what I don't like, which is reality. So back to reality, and yeah, and stay tuned, and if you like the vibe to my channel, subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, and back to real life. Bye.